Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you a quick way to check recently opened files and folders on your Windows laptop. This method is useful if you need to reopen a file or see what was accessed on your device while you were away. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus R at the same time. The Run dialog box will appear. In the search field, type Recent. Press Enter or click OK. A folder will open, displaying all the files and folders that were recently accessed. By checking this folder, you can also see which files or folders were opened when you weren't using your laptop. If someone accessed your device, you might find recent activity here. That's it. This simple trick helps you track recent activity on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.